Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you a detailed overview of this backpack by the company Bagsmart. And they reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a detailed overview of our backpack? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this being provides, so we affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. First and foremost, so this is of the color, which is kind of like a, I would say a light tan, taupe-ish type color. You can see there on the material. It is of the, what I would say, what you would expect from a material of a backpack. This has two straps right here that are adjustable. They are padded. The back side of it here that would go up against you has sort of this material right here. There's also a handle right here. I would assume this is for carrying it if you wanted to carry it this way. You could also carry it this way with this handle. And again, these are adjustable. On the sides here, to point out, there is a netted pouch here and then a complementary netted patch on this side. So you can carry like a water bottle or whatever is important to you. On the outside here, there's an additional, you could have like a storage area here for maybe a towel or something, but this is elastic and it also has this tightening here. So if you needed to tuck something in here, gym bag or whatever it is, you have that option as well here on the outside for additional storage. On the back here, you have your smaller pouch here. And the measurement, because that's really important to a lot of folks, the width on this outside backpack pouch is about 8.5 by about 8.5. So 8.5 by about 8.5 right here. Then you have a smaller pouch right here in the top. And the measurements on that are right at 6 inches. Depth-wise of this outside patch is about 4.5. So about 4.5 deep in there you're gonna go. Then you have another compartment right here on the inside. You can see what that looks like. You have a section here and a section here. And to give you an idea of the size of that additional compartment, the width on that section is closer to 10 inches. And the depth is about 15 to 16 inches, depending on how much stuff you're going to put in there. So that's this section here. Then you have another main pouch right here. You have an elastic section right here, main section right here. And then on the inside, if you're to open it up and look in here, so the depth of this right here is right at about 5 inches. So about 5 inches this way. So we're using this for books or whatever it is. You got about 5 inches going this way. And then the total height on this backpack, again, to see what all you can put in there, is close to, I'd say at the peak, anywhere from 17 from here to here, upwards almost 18 inches. Again, depending on how you're gonna kind of cram stuff in there. So from a quality standpoint, looking at this, it looks to be very well constructed. The inner lining here, I don't know if it's waterproof, but it looks like water type resistant stuff. So if you're trying to protect whatever is in there, you're probably gonna get some protection as far as if you're out in the old elements. When wearing this, as you can see in the video, it can be snug and held very nicely. This I would say is not a full-size backpack, depending on if you're trying to cram a lot of stuff in there, but it's definitely, I would say on the average size, maybe a little above average size backpack for maybe a youth. But it wouldn't be on like the extra large end from a backpack as far as sizing is concerned. Hopefully this answers any questions you have about this Bagsmart backpack, and we'll talk to you soon.